People, today we are showing a tutorial on how to draw basically nature, like let's say waterfall, maybe some stones, some mountains, some trees or whatever. Okay, let's not waste time because my videos are usually maximum 5 minutes around there. Alright, we'll take a pen, pencil, and we'll start with this. So we draw like that. Basically something like this. Here, this will be the mountain, and another one starts here, another one starts here, rocks. Okay. Um, and here we'll have like a beach and line of the ocean. Oh, that will not be a line of the ocean because it needs to be something straight like that, basically on the straight level. Bam, bam, like that. Now to orient of what I'm doing, I'm gonna color this blue right away. Now I will make another line um, that will represent like let's say a gray color, another line, and here I will draw gray color, and here I will draw let's say sun. We'll take this circle, fill it with solid color like that. Now we can color this in with we can fill this in with the blue color. Pretty much all of it, but yeah, we'll draw blue. Trying to make sense, but no. Okay, what are we gonna do here? Yeah, we'll go back to the pencil and we'll draw waterfall because lines are connecting. We need to make line like that, and like that. Now we go back to gray. We're gonna make another, whoop, not gray. We'll use a black color for now, but really gray would have done it okay, but I want to make the outline first so you can see of the picture I'm talking about in my point of view. Okay, now we'll have another rock here, set it kind of like that. Again, anything you're drawing is really never wrong. That's my way of thinking, because every image has its own view. Fix this up like that. Again, ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. So now we can color this in. I think it will not fly all over the place. Bam, that's the waterfall, that's the ocean. Now we can take this color and yeah, it's not connecting yet. So we will take this black color again and use a pencil and connect it. Here is where it's leaking. Okay, now try two. Bam, bam, that's what we're talking about. See? Okay, now we go back to black color, and we go back to the pencil. We're gonna add some more detail to these like that. Even here we'll make some crazy lines like that. Rocks, you know, but whatever, use your imagination. This is my way of giving detail of some stone or whatever.